We are going to make beef curry, and the first thing, I'm going to marinate my meat. First step, I'm going to season with salt. Don't mind my hands, just from baking. Then I'll add iliki. I'll add tangawizi. I'll add paprika. And finally, I'll add dark soy sauce. Not too much. We are going to leave it for 5 minutes for marinade to saturate, and then we start frying. In the meantime, we are going to prepare our veggies: tomato, onion, coriander. Keep it quick, one homemade, where we explore different cuisine from different culture. Quick one, homemade, simple, nice and easy. I've already prepped our veggies. So this is capsicum, this is onion, tomato, and also I have coriander. So first thing first, we are going to start by frying our onion, and also I have mashed garlic. Raiko cube. We are adding Raiko cube. So I'm using 2 cubes. So when it forms a sauce like paste, we are going to add our marinated beef. So at this stage, we are going to reduce our heat a very low level, and because we marinated our beef, it's going to take a very short time to be ready. So we are going to add little water, then we simmer. Wow, I can smell the aroma. I can smell the aroma. We still have coriander to add, but we'll dice in our coriander in our last 30 seconds of cooking, so that we get the fresh, pure, aromatic flavor. And so we are going to dice in our coriander for 30 seconds before we get it off. Make sure your coriander is fresh from the market or from the farm for perfect results. There we have it, guys. Quick one, homemade, simple, nice and easy. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Check me next and make sure to catch up with me each and every Monday, Wednesday, Friday for weekly food inspirational video. I'm yours truly and Ruli Jayuga. Bye bye. There we have it. Delicious, delicate, delicacy. Quick one, homemade, simple, nice and easy. Bon appetit! Beef cooker, beef maker. It's your boy, Jayuga. Quick one, homemade, simple, nice and easy. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe.